Hello and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to optimize any page on your website for SEO. So let's get straight into it. First of all, we're just going to have a look at a few other websites on the Google search results to see what they've done. We've just got Udemy and Freelancer here. So yeah, let's take a quick look at Udemy. As you can see, they've got the page title, they've got the URL and then the description, and they've got some results. So there's a search bar and some extra links as well. So that's awesome. They've got some keywords in there. They've got some keywords in the actual title, and then they've got the URL, which everyone knows, so they will just end up just searching it in the URL bar anyway, really. But yeah, so with such a big business like this, it's not really a great one to look at, but it's a good one to learn from. So yeah, and then we have Freelancer, which once again, if I scroll down so it's not an advert, you have the page title, the URL, the page description, and then some categories. So yeah, it's awesome. As you can see, they've got some, once again, keywords in the description and title, and of course the URL as well. So they've just got freelancer. You can see freelance programmers, that's going to be a good keyword phrase, and then all of that. So it's just good keywords they've got there as well. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So I've got the homepage of my website for Black Brick Training. As you can see, we're just going to optimize this for SEO. So let's get straight into it. First of all, you just want to, if you're using WordPress, install a plugin called Yoast SEO. And yeah, we're going to get using it now. So as you can see, it says readability, please enable some content. Basically, so it's asking me to add some more content because I don't yet have enough. As you can see, that is text content because there's hardly, I don't think, any text content on the main page. It's mainly just links and stuff like that. So yeah, I do of course need to add some text. Next, on the next little tab here, it says keyword online courses. So that's the keyword it's picked out. As you can see, the focus keyword here, online courses, and then you can edit the slug, the page title, and the meta description, which is awesome and really easy to use. And then after that, it again analyzes your page, and it says things like the amount of words. As you can see, 0 words. The keyword doesn't appear on the first paragraph. The SEO title contains the focus keyword, but it doesn't appear at the beginning. Try and move it to the beginning, basically. So it wants me to move it to the beginning of the title. So yeah, that's that as well. So as you can see here, it says online courses is the focus keyword, and it wants me to put it to the beginning. So yeah, that's that. I'm not sure if I'll do that one though. So as you can see, first of all, we need to add more content. So just for the relevancy of this, all I'm going to do is go to Udemy and then go to my profile. So just give me a second. As you can see, this is my profile. All I'm going to do is copy the entire biography on here and copy paste all of this onto the home page. So yeah, that's all I need to do, because actually that's a lot better than using the lorem ipsum text. So I'll just close the Udemy and Freelancer pages like so, and then I'll save this now, update. Awesome. So now we've done that, it will probably say readability is good. It needs improvement. Okay. Not bad. Better than it was. Right, the text does not contain any subheadings. Add at least one subheading. 15.8% of sentences contain a transition word or phrase, which is less than the recommended minimum of 30%. 10.5% of the sentences contain passive voice, which is more than the recommended of 10%. Try to use their active counterparts. And the rest is all in green. None of the paragraphs are too long. 15.8% of the sentences contain more than 20 words. Yeah, it's absolutely awesome. So I'm going to leave the rest of this for now because the subheadings isn't too important right now. So as you can see here, this is what we've got. What I'm going to do is copy. We're going to copy. Let me just have a look. Right, all I'm going to do now is copy this, as that is the first line of text, and I'll paste that into the meta description. Now, obviously, it's not all going to fit in there, so we're just going to have to remove some. Let's see how much it will need to be removed until it actually likes it. Right, okay. There we go. So that is that. Black Brick Training was a company formed in 2015, and our aim is to inspire people to become better at what they want to learn. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, we can leave that for now. Now, if I see what it says at the bottom, as you can see, it says No internal links appear in this page. Consider adding some as appropriate. No images appear on this page considering added some. The keyword density is 0%. The focus keyword was found 0 times. So yeah, as you can see, it's a bit strange that we haven't got the online courses keyword on here at all. I'm a bit confused about that. There we go. So if I change that bit there, we focus on making online courses. There we go. So I'll get rid of that and update. Awesome. That'll improve the SEO a bit more. So all you need to do is keep just improving what it's telling you to improve, and then after a while it should be fantastic. So then there's right, so after all that we've got, it's really a minimum of 300 words. Okay, so what we could do is pay someone on Fiverr to make a full homepage about us type, like, what's it called, like a post type thing, like a blog post but just about us, which will be put on the front page. The focus keyword doesn't appear in the first paragraph. Okay, so we can do that nice and easy as well. So we've got Black Brick Training as a company that's formed to become, where we teach the skills that are needed to become an online professional. We teach the skills that are needed to become a professional through online courses. Okay, so save that. So through our online courses, you can become a professional. So yeah, that's absolutely fantastic. That should improve that. Let's have a look. There we go. Yep, that one's now in green probably. Yep, there we go. The SEO title has a nice length. The keyword appears on the first paragraph. Fantastic. So we're just going to keep going through and improving all of this. We're not going to add any more words right now because we're not going to go to get someone to do that for us. A meta description has been added, but it does not contain the focus keyword. Okay, so we need to add the focus keyword to this description. Okay. Okay. Our aim is to, I'm going to change that to teach. Online courses. Okay, so it's not quite enough space. If I get rid of the in late 2015, perfect. So there we go, that's now that. And that should now be in green as well. Where was it? The length of the meta description. The meta description contains the focus keyword. Perfect. No outbound links, no internal links, no images. Right, so now it wants us to add some images. We can do that quite easily. All we need to do is add our logo somewhere. So I'm going to say in the middle of these two paragraphs, I'm just going to add the image, add media, and then I'm just going to add the Black Brick Training logo. This one here, add into page. And then I'll just put an enter there so it's afterwards, and update once again. Fantastic. So this is all you need to do. This is what you'll be doing as well. Just keep going through and updating until it's all in green and all good. So now it should say that there is images. Let me see. The images on this page are missing alt attributes. Okay, so what does that mean? Here's a good one. Okay, so for the particular image we've added, if I go to the image and go to open image in new tab, as you can see, it's just named B-1. So what you want to do is actually title it properly. And yeah, so what I'm going to do is go to media on the left here at the top, I think it is. Yep, media library. Awesome. And then I'm going to get this image and I'm going to, yeah, so here we go. Let me just rename it. Black Brick Training logo. Awesome. So if I add that in there, and that has now been saved automatically like that. Awesome. So now if I update this like so, it should now say that the image I added, let me see, close that. If I scroll down again, let me see, the images on this page are missing alt attributes still. Okay, that's a bit strange. If I just refresh the page, because it does actually have it now, which is not good. Okay, I think that's because there are other images on this page as well. So let me just think about that. Refresh the page real quick, like so. Awesome. Okay, so now if I hover over, it still has that. Nice. And okay, so these don't count as images on the page. Let me see. Okay, so there's no outbound links, not enough words. We can do that nice and easy. The SEO title contains the focus keyword, but it does not appear at the beginning. Try and move it to the beginning. Okay, so now we've got to try and move the focus keyword towards the beginning. So, as you can see up here, we've got online courses. Okay, we can do this quite easily. So if I go online courses for everyone, full stop, and then move that to in front of this, and add one of these. Nice. So that is perfect. Update that. Very nice, very nice, very nice. That's all we need to do there. Let that save. And then if I scroll down once again, it will now say that the SEO title is wider than the viewable limit. Okay, so that's a bit annoying. That's not too much of a problem. Online courses for everyone. Okay, I'm actually going to remove Black Brick Training from it, I think. No, that's not a good idea. I'm just going to remove training. Because now we've we're redoing our like brand. So it's instead of called Black Brick Training, it's just called Black Brick, because we're going to do Black Brick Media, like all different sorts of things. So we need to actually, yeah, that's why we've done that. And I think that should be alright now. The images on this page. Okay, yeah, so the actual description is now perfect, and the length of the description is good. The page title is good. Awesome, so that's all good. Now there's just the SEO title is wider than the viewable limit still. No outbound links. The images are missing the alt attributes, and the text contains not enough words. Not as many words as it should do. So let's go back to this real quick. So all we need to do is make it so that we have more text. That's what you guys can do as well. So make sure you've got at least 300 words, and then make sure your images have the alt attributes, every single image on the page. Make sure that there are outbound links, and make sure that the SEO title isn't too long. And then the readability needs to all be updated as well. So you need to add some subheadings and contain not as many transitions words. Oh wait, no, sorry, more transition words, and just things like that. Just basically follow on to what it tells you to do, just like I've been doing throughout this video. And yes, that's all you need to do. And then your website will be so much better, and it will be so much better in SEO for optimization, and it will be optimized 100% better. So yeah, that's the main things you need to do. Just install this WordPress plugin called Yoast SEO, and then just basically follow along to what it's telling you to do. There's not too much for you to do, and it's really easy. So yeah, just follow along to that. That's all I'm going to do in this video, because it's quite self-explanatory from now on. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. I'll see you in the next one, and I hope you learned a lot. Goodbye.